So we're gonna soak these chilies for about an hour to make the marinade sauce that we're gonna leave with the beef overnight.
Alright, you gonna put what?
Some onions in here. Ready to go. A little messy, but it's gonna be good. Daddy fingers. That's it. Leave it on high for 6 hours. Let that beef cook.
Alright, so we got the shredded Oaxaca cheese. Tortillas ready.
Oaxaca.
About to shred this down. That looks done.
It's done, son.
Smells good.
Definitely
Really
done.
good.
There you go. It just falls apart.
Alright.
Ready to
Great.
go.
Alright.
Some cheese,
Flipped it over. Put some cheese.
some meat on there.
Good amount of meat. Oh yeah. Close that thing up.
Close it up.
Yeah. Let's see what we got.
It's already melted a little bit with that little cheese
yeah.
melted. Getting crispy on both sides. And you also want to put a little bit of this on here.
Yeah, put a bit
Put it
more.
on there. A little drizzle. Oh, look at that. Give a little extra.
What does it look like on the inside? Let's take a look. Nice.
Put some more cheese in there, you know? Want some more cheese?
It never hurts.
Lift that up too. Put some cheese in there. There you go.
Dang. So we're about to do the double decker taco we saw on a video. We'll see how this goes.
Right?
Alright, so
Really gonna lay it all over. Thick pieces. Gotta get that cheese to melt underneath there. Melt time. Alright. Put the lid on just a little bit. I'm gonna put some
Alright.
meat on there. Jump down.
let's see if this. Oh yeah.
Some meat on here. Not too much, you still gotta be able to turn it. Like that. A bit more. Just a little bit more cheese. Get the finely grated cheese on there. Boom.
Get that big ass ring out the way, I can't see.
Bling bling. Cheese coming out the edges. It's coming out the edges. Here we go. Trial and error. Gotta close it quicker next time.
Alright, here go the first true taste test.
Dang. Is it good?
Good.
I got some onion on mine. I'm ready to tear it up. I'm gonna put them on the inside though. Put them onions on the inside. Alright. Approved.
Alright.